Today I'm back to work on the car. I don't know what all I'm going to get done today, but I am back to work on it. I had a lot of other things I had to get done, so that's why I haven't put a video up in a few days. So I just thought it would save me a lot of time and masking, just taking this valance right off the car. And it definitely was silver. You can see the silver on this this edge here, and you can definitely, this is silver paint in here. So this is definitely not body color, so I'm going to paint this in that silver. You can see the silver there. Well, I don't know if you can or not. I can, where I sanded the green repaint off. But that'll save me, getting this off to paint will save me hours of masking. And I took these off too because one bolt held them on. And these, after I got that valance off, one bolt held it on too. So why not bead blast them and paint them and put them back on? Then I can sand that out really good and get it all painted up, looking halfway nice. I think this is disassembled a lot further than what I planned to do, but it's going to come out nice. Been working on lining up the body panels here. Before I paint anything, I think I want to get things lined up here, so I don't scratch things up. I've come to the conclusion there's a little dent right here, just like outward dent, not inward, like that brace has caused a little crease right there. And I think I need to get in there and push this part of the fender out. That'll bring the top down. The top will come down, this will line up, and as this comes out it'll kind of do this. I think that's what's happened, is this has just been something gently pushed against that and pushed it in. And there's some door dings, but nothing major. One there, just minor door dings. And but I think we can get this pushed out and lined up, because I think it just got mushed in a little bit right here. I think that's a fender issue, not a door issue. Alright, I got the door fitting pretty darn good. This is all pretty well lined up. It closes fairly easy. And gotta just do a little, this is just fender that needs to be adjusted here. The door, I think, is pretty good. So it looks like the top of the fender needs to come back just a smidge. I moved it forward quite a bit, and it needs to come back a little. And then this part needs to come out. I took the shim out of the bottom, and that allowed this to come out and line up. But it doesn't line up from here to here. So this is where I think if I push the fender out a little bit from inside in between, it'll bring this down. Just from the way the brace is designed and everything. So I think from something was leaned on it or something at one time and just kind of wasn't enough. I can feel it right in here. Something pushed on it right below the molding, just right in this area right here is where I feel like something pushed on it. And we'll push that puppy back out, and I think that the fender will look good then. I also got a battery topper for the so on the batteries in here it kind of looks a little more original instead of some new modern battery. It'll look vintage. One last thing, I went out estate sailing and picked up some old auto lamps. These are 1004s, 1157s. These are 1046. These are 6 to 8 volt, 25. It says 25, 0.25 amps. 0.25, not 25. That's the same thing. So there's 3 of those. Then there's 1819s, says those are 28 volts. So I imagine these are for like radios and stuff. These are automotive, some automotive lamps in here. That's an interesting little light bulb. It's got a flat top. And then a bunch of bulbs, the sockets, and I think these are, they look like washers for spark plugs, but I don't know if that's what they are or not. Dome lights. So anyway, yeah, a couple bucks, got a nice box of bulbs. Well, I'm going to call it a day. I got the little brackets for the, you know, that were down in here all bead blasted and painted, and got that weld ground out. I still need to sand some more out in here and get this ready for paint and the undercarriage. So anyway, that's about it for today. I'm calling it a day, as I said, and if you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see this beautiful old Galaxie resurrected, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.